round of decline started in the global markets after a long period of growth. Traders are focused on the US stock market that depreciated across the board. Oil is also in focus. Its price may significantly influence the trajectory of the Russian currency. Find more details in our video review. Following a drop in the US stock market, oil posted notable losses of 2.5%. Experts note that this fall was not preceded by any negative news. It was rather a phase of correction after a previous rally, which was earlier confirmed by technical analysis. However, oil may develop a deeper and longer correction if fundamental factors are not favorable. In the morning session, Brent crude was trading at $66.08 per barrel. It is likely to stay in the area between 65 and 67.50. Meanwhile, US grade WTI is trading slightly lower than Brent as it correlates more with the US stock market. On the other hand, the prospects for WTI seem much more optimistic. The US shows great progress in vaccination, and the third coronavirus wave is less strong than in Europe. Therefore, fuel demand is likely to be more stable there. The price range for WTI is seen between $60 and $64 a barrel. On Wednesday morning, the North American benchmark settled at $62.15 per barrel, having lost 0.7% over the past day. The situation with oil has affected the Russian ruble. Yesterday, it retreated to the lows from the previous week. The ruble is very vulnerable to the conflict between Russia and the West. Political tensions around Ukraine have escalated once again. Russia has increased the buildup of military forces and conducts large-scale military training in the Black Sea, having blocked flights over the area. Besides, the conflict between Russia and the Czech Republic concerning the spy scandal and expulsion of diplomats made things even worse. The Russian market awaits Vladimir Putin's annual address to the Federal Assembly. The president may give important comments on the conflict in Donbass. This speech will be of great importance to the ruble as it may swing to either side. Today, the dollar-ruble pair was trading at 76.80. The ruble is expected to hold in the range 76 to 77.50 against the dollar. In the meantime, the euro feels much stronger against the ruble compared to the American counterpart. This is thanks to the overall strengthening of the euro in recent days. It's also possible that during Putin's speech, the euro-ruble pair will fluctuate. At present, the pair is holding at 92.50 and is expected to stay in the channel from 91.50 to 93.50 rubles per euro. That was all the news about oil and the Russian currency for today. Market participants are waiting for the speech by Vladimir Putin, which may significantly influence the trajectory of the national currency on Forex. In addition, official industry data on crude stockpiles in the US will be published later in the day by the US Energy Information Administration. The volume of oil reserves influences crude prices that may also affect inflation and other economic indicators. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.